Hey you guys, it's Jasmine and thank you for clicking on my video. And if you want to know how to make these super delicious and easy blueberry lemon biscuits, then just keep on watching. Alright, so first we're going to start with our flour and we're going to zest a lemon. And you want to go ahead and put that into our flour, one whole lemon. And then we're going to add in our blueberries. And you want to mix your lemon zest, blueberries, and flour together. Then we're going to add in our heavy whipping cream. Go ahead and stir that up. Don't over mix it, just mix it until combined. Perfect. Now we're going to get us a greased pan and we're going to use an ice cream scoop to put our biscuits into the pan. Now I'm just taking some egg, one egg and a splash of milk, and just slightly pat that onto the biscuits. This is going to brown them. Then we're going to take some turbinado sugar and we're going to sprinkle that on top of our biscuits. Alright, now we're going to place our biscuits into our oven for 17 minutes. While our biscuits are in the oven, we're going to make our icing. And we're just going to take that same lemon and some powdered sugar and mix it together. And that's it. It's that easy. Now that our biscuits are out of the oven, guys, they look so good. They're like perfectly brown. And you want to let these cool off. You want to let these cool off for about 10-15 minutes before you put your icing on there. And we're going to go ahead and put our icing on there. You can put it on there however you like. Perfect. Guys, these biscuits are so fresh and delicious. They're so easy to make. The blueberries, the fresh blueberries are juicy. It's the perfect amount of lemon and blueberry flavor. The texture of the biscuit is perfect. I hope you guys give this a try. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.